Hi everyone, welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to install Visual Composer Website Builder. The first thing you have to do is go to visualcomposer.com and click on the free version button. Now you are redirected to a new page where you can download the latest version of Visual Composer. The download starts automatically. At this point, the zip file should be downloaded, and I'm going to leave it right here at the bottom. We're going to need it later on. The following step is going to your WordPress admin panel. So type in your website /wp-admin and log in with your WordPress credentials. When you're logged in, navigate to the plugins section and click on Add New and then on Upload Plugin. Now you just have to upload the Visual Composer zip file. You can do that by clicking on Choose File or simply dragging the zip file onto the Choose File box. When that's done, click on Install Now. When the plugin is successfully installed, click on Activate and you can start building pages right away. But if you want more elements, templates and extensions, as well as access to the Visual Composer Hub, you can consider activating the free or the premium version of the plugin to unlock all the features. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and enjoy!